Beyond the surface, understanding psoriasis. Psoriasis isn't just dry skin. It's an immune condition that shows itself through the skin, but begins much deeper. In psoriasis, immune cells send constant repair signals, even when there's no injury. This overdrive speeds up cell turnover and causes scaling, redness, and inflammation. It's not contagious, but it's chronic, meaning the inflammation can flare and fade based on triggers like stress, weather, or even certain medications. Studies show that psoriatic skin has an altered barrier, weaker lipid layers, and higher water loss, which makes maintaining moisture balance essential. Dermatologists often combine topical formulations with systemic support because soothing the surface is only one part of restoring balance. Advanced delivery systems can help actives penetrate better without disrupting already sensitive skin, supporting the barrier rather than burdening it. Psoriasis deserves compassion, not judgment. At Cymbiotics, we believe every skin, even when inflamed, dry, or reactive, deserves intelligent care built on empathy and science.